Hi everyone, if you have been using the Coinbase app and don't know how to buy the Satoshi on it, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Satoshi on the Coinbase app. So let's get started. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now tap onto the search bar and type Satoshi just like this to find it. Now you can see the pair of Satoshi is there, only one. Now tap onto it. Then tap onto buy option right here. Now add the additional information about the cryptocurrency, and after that you can simply proceed to buy it. And that's it. This is how you can buy Satoshi on the Coinbase app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.